Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine. So let's begin with our discussion on today's topic, that is present perfect continuous tense. So in this tense we have certain rules. For example, we need to use first form of verb plus ing, including helping verb, that is has been and have been, and there is a use of since and for as well. We use since with a specific point in time in the past, like name of days, months, year, clock time, evening, morning, and night. But for, we use it in number of days, months, year, or minutes and second. We used it in period of time in present, past, and future. So there are two differences in since and for. We use since for the names of days, months, and year, and only in the past time. But for, we use it in a number of days, months, year, and we use it in the present, past, and future, etc. So if we begin with the positive case, we need to use has been with the singular subject like he, she, it, names, while for the plural subject we use have been like I, we, they, you. For example, I have been sleeping since 7 o'clock. So in this sentence, I is a plural subject, so we use have been, and sleeping because of first form of verb plus ing. Since 7 o'clock is basically the name of a specific time in past, that is 7 o'clock. In the second sentence, like she has been waiting since morning, she is a singular subject, so that's why we use has been, and waiting because of first form of verb plus ing. Since morning, as we previously discussed, for the evening, night, or morning, we need to use since. In the third sentence, like Ali has been playing cricket for 2 months, Ali is a singular subject, so that's why we use has been, and playing because it is the rule in the present perfect continuous tense that we use first form of verb plus ing, and for 2 months because it is the number of months, that is 2. In the fourth sentence, like my mother has been cooking since morning, my mother is basically a specific person, so she is basically a singular subject, so that's why we use has been, and cooking because of that is a rule of present perfect continuous tense that we use first form of verb plus ing, and since morning because we previously discussed with the morning, evening, and night, we use since. In the fifth sentence, like I have been studying for 3 hours, I is basically a plural subject, so we use have been, and studying because of first form of verb plus ing, and for 3 hours is because of number of hour, that is 3. In the sixth sentence, like I have been watching TV since 7 p.m., I is basically a plural subject, so that's why we use have been, and watching because of first form of verb, and since 7 p.m. is basically the name of a specific time in past, that is 7. So if we begin with the negative case, we just simply put not in the positive sentences. For example, I have not been sleeping since 7 o'clock. She has not been waiting since morning. Ali has not been playing cricket for 2 months. So we simply put not in all of these positive sentences, rest of all remain same. So if we begin with the interrogative case, it is simply asking question. So in the first sentence, have I been sleeping since 7 o'clock, or has she been waiting since morning, or another sentence is has Ali been playing cricket for 2 months, or the last sentence, have I been studying for 3 hours. So in all of these sentences, you see that we just simply put helping verb at the beginning of the sentence, and rest of all the sentence remains same. For example, in the first sentence, we see that if, for example, suppose it is in the first sentence is a positive sentence like I have been sleeping since 7 o'clock, and we want to make it an interrogative case, we put simply helping verb at the beginning of the sentence, and rest of all the sentence remain the same. For example, have I been sleeping since 7 o'clock. Or the second sentence, for example, if it is an positive case, she has been waiting since morning, and we put simply has at the beginning of the sentence, and rest of all remains same. So that is simply the rule of interrogative case, and there are certain rules, that is basically the rules of present perfect continuous tense, including that we use first form of verb plus ing, including has been and have been is basically the helping verb of that tense, and the use of since and for. And we simply use not in the negative cases, and in the interrogative case we simply put helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. So these are all the rules of the present perfect continuous tense. You need to memorize or learn it, and then use it into your own example. So that's all from my side. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.